Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually get approved on your Adsense account within 7 to 14 days. So in case you're new here, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, let's get the video started. So in case you don't know what Adsense is all about, Adsense is just a medium Google uses to place ads on websites and on blogs. So in case you don't have Adsense, that means you don't have a blog. So to get started, you need a blog or a website. And you can actually use Blogger or you can use WordPress. I've done a video about that in the past, so in case you've not seen that, make sure you go and watch my other videos so that you can learn more about blogging. So with that being said, I'm going to be talking about two methods of actually getting approved faster. Now the first one is the normal way that everybody knows about, and the second one is the one that I've been using and it works for me and a whole bunch of other people that knows about it. So the first one is about maintaining Google's policy. Now, in case you don't know about the Google requirement for getting monetized on AdSense, I'm going to drop a link down there. Just go ahead and read the Google policy on how to actually get monetized. But meanwhile, I'm still going to talk about them, which are, first of all, before you get monetized on your AdSense account, you need to create 4 important pages on your blog or site. Number 1 is contact us. Number 2 is about us. Number 3 is privacy policy. Number 4 is terms and condition. Now an added one is disclaimer. So these 5 important pages will help you to get monetized faster. Now the second one is this: you must, like from my own experience, you must create at least 15 to 20 posts or even 30 to be on a better side before you start applying. Now you can actually get monetized with 9 posts, 10 posts, even below that. Now I've seen people that have done it. Now I'm not saying that you cannot get monetized with 10 posts, 5 posts, or any post at all, but I'm just saying from my own experience and all of that. So you must get at least from 15 to 20, 30 posts before you start applying. Now another one is that you must not copy people's content. Now I've seen people that actually copy people's content and then they still get monetized. I don't know how that happens, but for you to be on a safer side, don't copy people's content. Make sure you produce your own content. Now, after these 3 things I've mentioned, I think you should create a very, very standard site. Your site should not be under maintenance. It should be very, very perfect. And make sure that your contents are not low quality contents, which means don't copy content, and make them at least from 1,500 words to 2,000 and above. By so doing, you will be on a safer side of getting approved faster, if God wishes. Because at times you might meet all these requirements and at the same time they will keep finding issues or faults with your site. But meanwhile, these are the main standard requirements from Google. Now let me tell you guys the second method that I've been using, and a whole bunch of people have been using it as well, and this method has been working for a whole bunch of people. Okay, now this second method is by deriving traffic. Okay, I know this might sound kind of hard for you because it's a new blog. You've not started banking your traffic. You've not even started ranking on Google. So how are you going to get the traffic? That's where you apply your high intelligence. Okay, now you need to buy traffic from Facebook. If you've messaged me on WhatsApp like I've recommended, I've guided a lot of people on how they can actually get cheap traffic, just like this one, and this is one of my accounts. So you can actually get the traffic from Facebook as low as this amount you're seeing on my screen. So if you want to learn about how you can actually derive massive thousands and thousands of traffic that can actually give you money if you get approved on AdSense, okay, just hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you through that. Okay, now for you that is yet to be monetized, if you want to get monetized faster, derive traffic to your site. Now if you create a site just now and you've met all those standard Google requirements, don't apply immediately. Okay, don't apply immediately. I'm advising you to at least wait for 7 days to 14 days before you apply. Now this is how it's going to happen. From the first day to the 7th day, after you've created everything that I just mentioned initially, start running traffic into your site. Start running campaigns, that's Facebook traffic, into your site. Now if you're able to push like 10,000 page visitors, all right, if you're able to push that amount of traffic to your site, then you can apply. Mark my words, 10,000 paid visitors. All right, that's paid views, not just normal visitors. I mean paid views. Then you can apply for your Google AdSense account. Now after applying, keep on pushing traffic to your site. Keep on pushing traffic. Continue to push traffic to your site. Because let me tell you this thing: why would Google place an ads on a site that is not yet getting traffic? Meanwhile, what's the essence of placing ads if not to show it to visitors and all of that? So they won't show ads to your site if you don't have traffic. So if they show it to visitors on your site, That's when they get to make money and you too, you make money. But if you don't have these stores, they're likely not going to approve you. So this is my own method of doing this. All right. Within 7 to 14 days, you're going to get approved. So trust me, if you do this, it's going to work for you. Now, just like I said, in case you don't know how to run cheap traffic from your Facebook to your blog, just message me on WhatsApp. My number is going to be there. Message me, let's get you started. Now, in case if you are monetized and you're interested in the AdSense arbitrage method that I'm using to generate a whole bunch of money for myself, just hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you through how you can actually get started on that. So with that being said, oh my God, I'm sweating. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DonTimTV. And with that being said, I want to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and